While this surge is taking place, and in one such state is Gujarat, it seems that the priorities could be a little different. Because in Gujarat, what you see is a sense of deja vu. What happened in 2017 seems to be repeating in 2020 of resignations just ahead of elections and resort politics. But the allegation over here by the Congress is that the BJP is launching Operation Kamal and that they're pumping in money and muscle power to buy MLAs. The question is, what really is the priority in Gujarat? You have money to buy MLAs, so is the allegation, but none for the healthcare where the death rate is among the highest in the country. Let me put this to a quick discussion. Vivek Reddy of the BJP, Yogendra Yadav, good to have him on the show. Rohan Gupta of the Congress Party and Deshratan Nigam is going to join us in just a short moment from now. Vivek Reddy, first of all, let me ask you, how would you respond to these allegations of the BJP using money and muscle power, more so at a time like this when priorities should be very, very, very different?
I think, Sanket, the very, very basic premise that money is being used itself is a misnomer, is a misconception. Let me tell you one thing. Over the days, over the past 2 or 3 years, you find a lot of frustration within the Congress. And Congress is not correcting itself. Only thing that it is doing is that there is a climate of total failure. There is all the congressmen are internally unhappy, and the leadership is not coming out to sort out the issue. So therefore, this inner dissent in the Congress is causing a lot of people to come out of Congress. And unfortunately, they have not been able to stem this. They have not been able to stop this. And because of that, they are blaming the BJP. Why do you think so many people are coming out of Congress? You recently saw Sanjay Jha's article. I think the Sanjay Jha syndrome is there all across the Congress. And the only difficulty is there is no meeting point and there is no debate on how the Congress must be set up.
Okay, so you're saying that instead of blaming the BJP, the Congress must look inwards, that it cannot keep its own house in order. Because, there's such a strong sense of deja vu. Yogendra Yadav, National President of Swaraj India, is also with us. Mr. Yadav, I'm sure you would remember in 2017, I incidentally covered that entire episode also. Similar, absolutely similar. It's just that the only differentiator here is COVID-19. But the same MLAs resigning, the same resort politics, them being taken to different states, then them being brought back. Of course, at stake back then was Ahmed Patel's seat. Very similar circumstances this time around as well. But the question over here is of priority. Ahmedabad is one such city where the death rate is among the highest.
There are two things here, Sanket. Yes, in politics, we should not believe in conspiracy theories, but we should not stretch credulity this far that Mr. Reddy wants to stretch. Mr. Reddy, this is something which a child in Ahmedabad knows. Basically, what happened was that in the case of Ahmed Patel's election, BJP had a defeat because there is nothing moral about all these things. The manner in which Congress managed to outmaneuver BJP in the case of Ahmed Patel, now the BJP is taking revenge. Yes, people must be unhappy with Congress. People, don't leave a party only for money. Yes, they tend to leave a party which they tend to view as a losing party, as a sinking ship. And indeed, Congress could appear as a sinking ship. Not now, it's been the case for several years. But to say that suddenly their conscience or their sense of disgust with Congress has woken up a few days before Rajya Sabha election, that's stretching credulity too far. अब इतना भी मत कीजिए, थोड़ा सा तो ईमानदारी से बात करें हम यहाँ पे. More importantly, Sanket, the point you made, it's not so much the money part. Of course, money is playing a role here, etc. But for me, the real question is not so much money for buying MLAs versus money for COVID. It is political attention. What amazes me is a government which cannot give undivided attention to tackling the economy, which is sinking right now. A government that which actually has almost washed its hands off the snowballing crisis, medical crisis that the country faces, but which has such undivided attention paid to questions of these small political games. And this is not the only game, Sanket, you would remember. When Karnataka game was being played out, at that time, COVID had actually started. Madhya Pradesh, it seems that entire handling of COVID was postponed in Madhya Pradesh so that Kamal Nath government
for government
could be
formation,
and Congress government, BJP government could be brought in. So it is the political attention of the people, of the top people in
Can
the
I come
country.
back?
Okay, yeah. One moment.
Has a lot of time to spend on this.
Okay.
I understand. As a politician, I
Okay,
don't.
Yogen Yadav has made a number of points over here. He seems to say that what divides the BJP's political attention at a time when there should be a single-minded focus on how to defeat this virus, right? The BJP is more interested in forming a government in Madhya Pradesh, in doing what it did in Karnataka, and now
And
in
rally in
Gujarat.
Bihar.
Sorry?
Rally in Bihar.
Rally in Bihar, rallying at a time, in the times of COVID-19.
Yes.
Vivek Reddy, very quickly, right to reply.
Yes, thank you. If I may give a very short clarification. Mr. Yogendra Yadav forgets that apart from politics that is going on as usual in the country, the war on COVID that is launched by the central government has been one of the best amongst all the nations in the world. Please consider that. What more do you want the central government to do? It has done everything on all fronts. Economy, you're talking, well, all economies are facing a challenge due to COVID. All economies are challenged. It is not unique for India alone. So, Mr. Yogendra Yadav, try to understand the world scenario is like this. There is an economic downturn because of COVID-19. There were lockdowns all over the world. And today you're pointing out, singling out India only and saying that the government has done nothing. What is this? Is this the way you... I never expected this from Yogendra Yadav. That is one. Second is, what politics has happened? I don't think there has been much of politics at all during COVID. Why are you taking these isolated incidents and saying it has affected the war on COVID? Well, India is doing the best in the world considering the population we have, the density of population we have. We have really brought
No,
down the numbers.
Vivek Reddy,
And
see
that's where it is going.
one moment. I think what Yogen Yadav wanted to say, and I'm not going to speak on his behalf, but he seems to suggest that your undivided political attention was not in dealing with this COVID crisis. It seems that there was always this desire to use political opportunities, and then, I mean, you can always turn around. Deshatan Nigam is also with us. Deshatan Nigam,
without undivided attention, we would not have been
to
one of the best
suggest
in the
that a
world.
political party will put aside any option of expansion, whether it is in Rajya Sabha elections, whether it is government formation in states, whether it is conducting rallies, do you think is not right? I mean, it's not illegal, but one would then ask questions on whether this is the right time to do these things. Where's the undivided attention?
See, let me tell you, your money to buy MLAs, please give me a single evidence and I'll prosecute them in a court of law. And therefore, the entire premises of is based on some kind of presumptions without single evidence. That is expected of Yogen Yadav. Vivek Reddy, I do expect this from Yogen Yadav. Secondly, let me tell you, the governments are two different things. And government is working at its own level, and parties, all the parties are working at the political level as well. Bharatiya Janata Party has come out on the ground at every level.
Okay, Deshatan Nigam, there seems to be some problem in your audio connection. Your voice seems to be coming and going. We'll quickly fix this. Rohan Gupta of the Congress Party is also with us. Rohan Gupta, the BJP seems to suggest that what is wrong? What is wrong? You can't keep your house in order and you seem to blame them. Rohan Gupta.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
I don't have audio. Can you hear me? Yeah. Sanketji, I was listening to BJP spokesperson. It is really shameful. He is saying that BJP government is fighting COVID one of the best way in the world. I am from Gujarat. Their priority is only horse trading. When the whole Gujarat was suffering from COVID, our mortality rate is one of the highest in world. The world average is around 5.8%. In Gujarat, it is 6.22%. the CM gives wrong instrument and claims that that is the ventilator. You have mask scandal. What are you talking about? Your priorities are only forming government. And one question to BJP: if they are saying that Congress house is not in order, why the MLAs were waiting for 3.5 years to switch the party? These two MLAs, when they were at Rajasthan, I have the videos of these MLA saying that we are here because we have lots of pressure from BJP to change sides and we are here to protect our voice. What has happened during the COVID time that these two people had to change their side? So come on, they are really making mockery of this democracy. And I am really sorry to say that people of Gujarat, they are not going to forgive BJP this time. There is a limit to everything. When you are passing through pandemic, everybody in Gujarat is under tremendous pressure, and this kind of act by this government, absolutely people.
Okay,
people are
Vivek
not going
Reddy's
to
response.
forgive.
Vivek,
This
you have
is
heard
really,
what Rohan
really
Gupta
shameful.
had to say.
I am not
Wrong priorities.
But I'm
Well,
telling
I
you as a
think
citizen of
Rohan
Gujarat
Gupta
that
must
this
not
government
commit
has
the
failed on
mistake.
all the
I'm
counts.
sorry, I'm not going
We
to use
see
the
the
word
treatment is
shameful that you
pathetic, the
used,
number
but
of
Rohan
tests is
Gupta
worst
must
in
not
the
commit the
country.
mistake
What they are
of
talking about? The
unnecessarily
same Gujarat
mixing
who had
COVID
trusted BJP for
with
last
the
25
ongoing
years.
political
And what's
scenario.
happening to Gujarat?
The
The
ongoing
Prime Minister
political
is from
scenario
Gujarat. The Home
is an
Minister is from
independent
Gujarat.
Yeah,
situation.
one by one, please.
That has
One by one.
arisen.
Vivek, one moment.
Really sorry to
Let
say
us
this,
wait for Rohan
but
Gupta to complete.
This kind of situation is
Okay.
unforgivable.
Okay. Vivek Reddy now.
Yes, Sanket, I think Rohan Gupta is unnecessarily mixing up COVID with the political situation there. Now, the political situation is for Gujarat Congress to handle. Rohan Gupta must first be asking, keeping a mirror upon himself, upon the Congress, and asking the soul of the Congress as to why people are running away from it. This was not how Congress was. And if people are running away from Congress, it is, you see that there is a weakness of leadership also. There is no hope or faith in Congress. And there is no effort to introspect in Congress. That is what Sanjay Jha said. It really is frustrating.
Okay.
Disappointing.
Okay.
That there is
Quick
no
reply
platform
from
at all.
Rohan Gupta. Very quickly.
Doing? You have completely miserably failed in fight against COVID. Your priority is horse trading.
Mr. Rohan Gupta, first answer why people
See,
are
Sanket,
quitting your ship.
this is really
Why is
pathetic of
Congress
BJP.
drowning in India?
They have really
You must
failed in
answer this
Gujarat
question.
on all
When
counts.
a ship
Whether it is
drowns,
testing
can
or
we
medical
expect anybody
facilities,
to be there?
they are
Whether
just
COVID
trying
is
to
there or
divert
not?
attention of people. But people of Gujarat are so angry this time. Last time they did same thing at the time of Ahmed Patelji's election.
See,
This time
every
they
time-
will do double. We were at
Every
38
time
seats that
Congress
point
has
of
been
time.
coming and
Okay,
telling
one
people
more
are
before this
angry.
becomes
Now,
nothing but
after
Congress
this
and
will
BJP.
I am telling you,
Deshratan Nigam,
will be
quickly
bossed
coming
out
to
of
you.
Gujarat.
Deshratan Nigam, my point is just to say that their
There is a
house is
timing
not
of
in
everything.
order
Yes, you do your politics,
is
but not at the
good
time of
excuse
pandemic,
enough.
where
See,
the
my
state
point
is
is
really
of
a bad situation.
Rohan,
And
one
your
moment.
priority, your government
Deshratan Nigam,
horse trading.
at
Really
a
shameful.
time like this, as Yogendra Yadav said, at a time like this just shows political priorities. I want your response. Now, it's another thing that, a political party will survive at any cost. If it will expand at any cost. But timing, at a time when the world is grappling to deal with this pandemic. Deshratan.
See, let me tell you something about Gujarat. Its rate, doubling rate has actually improved a lot. From 10 days in the beginning, it is 24 days now. So somewhere down the line, the government is doing well up there. And it was at the second place so far as corona spread was concerned. Now it is at fourth place. Delhi, with 1/5 population of Gujarat, has taken over Gujarat. So something is being done good out there. Free medical treatment, free medical supplies, no shortage of beds, no shortage of medicines. All these are there. I can even name you the schemes. But now let me come to about, money, MLAs. I think these are all presumptions. Not a single evidence can be given. And I'm sure if Congress had the evidence,
I am from
they would have
Ahmedabad.
gone to the, they
At
would
least
go to
don't
the,
lie on camera.
see, please go to the court if you have. Please don't shout on TV
People
channels
are
which you
not
have.
tested for 4, 5 days. There are no testing kits.
See, let me
People
tell
are
you one
deprived of
thing.
testing.
Let me tell you, don't interrupt. I never interrupt. And the number of tests are phenomenally increasing every day. Nobody is saying everybody is being tested.
No, but
And
then
even
Deshratan Nigam, the highest mortality rate being in Gujarat.
see, that has to be studied because highest mortality rate with the best healthcare is in US. So therefore, it has to be studied why it is taking place. It is some kind of a DNA or regional, differences. It is all a matter of research. So you can't jump to conclusions.
Okay. Very
now.
quickly. Very quickly, Yogendra Yadav as well as Rohan Gupta.
Since BJP spokespersons have very high hopes from me, let me clarify one thing to them, sir. In the 70s and 80s, when defection used to be the most rampant thing in this country, mostly at the behest of the Congress, and BJP and Jansangh used to be the party crying loudest about it, and when the defection bill was brought in, to my mind, not a single conviction had ever taken place. So why was the defection bill brought in? Why is it that Mr. Arun Jaitley strengthened it even further if there was nothing to be done unless there was a conviction? Is this a television debate, or are we speaking in the Supreme Court of India? Even in the Supreme Court of India, these things were discussed and talked about. So let's not get into this. There is political analysis and there is political ethics. In political analysis, obviously something is wrong with the Congress party. That's why people want to leave. But today, are they leaving because of their analysis? Or is it that something is being offered to them? These are open secrets.
Just
What are
ahead
we
of the
talking
19th
about?
of June elections.
Sanket,
Just ahead of elections.
Exactly, absolutely. I mean, how can we be
See,
so credulous?
I need to come
how
in
can
here.
we ignore? Can I complete what I was saying?
Yeah.
Also,
Sanketji.
I'm astonished to hear what Mr. Vivek Reddy had to say. Sanket, I have
Sanketji,
just one
one small-
suggestion. Please keep the recording of what Mr. Vivek Reddy has said. Keep a clip. Play it today. We will both watch it 2 months from now. The best possible medical response in the world, the best possible economic response in the world. Just play it 2 months later, get Mr. Vivek Reddy on the show. You need not bring me on the show. Just show what he has said today
Okay.
to him again.
Okay.
Can I
We'll
come
do
in?
that. We'll do that. I'm sure Mr. Reddy will take up that challenge also. Rohan Gupta, last word. Rohan Gupta.
Against the government.
No, one moment. Rohan Gupta
Yes,
wanted to come in.
yes,
Last
sir.
word. Yeah.
I just wanted to say that.
No, Rohan Gupta. Last word.
Very-
Mr. Deshathan.
Yeah, very small point. Just for information of BJP spokesperson, one of the MLA who resigned, he told, it's a last point. My last point is, one of the MLA who resigned from Congress, he said that he will leave politics. So please understand how much money BJP has used in this horse trading activity, that people are leaving politics. What has happened in last 1 month? During COVID, what happened to these MLA that they have to leave politics now? This is really shameful, Sanketji. There is a limit of politics, and in pandemic, the way BJP is behaving, people of India, they are not going to forgive. And people like Vivek Reddy, mark my words, because of people like you, we will become #1 in cases.
sorry.
The way things are going,
Okay.
at least open your eyes.
Okay,
and
the
face
point
truth.
is,
The whole
both
country
these
is telling
things
you,
House in
but
order.
at least don't
are
globalize
correct
the country now.
politically,
We are at fifth
that
position
you
now.
have. Thank you very much.
We
Rohan
are
Gupta,
going
thank you.
number one.
Vivek Reddy, thank you. Yogendra Yadav as well as Deshathan Nigam, thank you so much. Both these points are correct. Number one, the Congress's house is not in order. I mean, it doesn't take a genius to know this. And secondly, the Bharatiya Janata Party is being accused of using any political opportunity, even in the middle of this crisis, to expand their base, to expand their footprint. Deja vu 2017. Good night and goodbye.